right, we are at the Helsinki Ferry terminal in Helsinki, Finland. Ooh, we have someone in the elevator. And this is a KONE. K's locked, 4's locked, 3's locked, go to 2. Two's as far as you can go. 1R is probably locked. Oh no, they're both open. Oh cool, that's the rear door. And this is a very basic elevator. There goes the rear door. And the front door. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.